Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Janit. In this video we'll discuss about overview of the Facebook ecosystem and its different components. So before starting that, let's explain it one by one. So there are multiple components of the Facebook. So what is the first one is coming the Facebook profile. So what is the Facebook profile? What is profile? And in this we can see that a Facebook profile is meant for individual, not for the business. Like this kind of the Facebook profile, the particular profile section can be used only the individual person. If the business will use the Facebook profile for the business purpose, then Facebook may be suspend this particular, because Facebook profile is just represent you as a person with your name, photo, friends, personal post. Each Facebook user has that include basic information like their name and photo. So basically, what are the difference? What is a normal Facebook profile is for only the individual person. Facebook profile it just will be used for your fan circle, your name, photo, your basic information. So on this way, the Facebook profile be used, not for the business purpose. If you will use the Facebook profile for the business purpose, then definitely the Facebook can suspend your account. The second one is the Facebook page. A Facebook page is for business, organization, brands, or public figure. Page allow business to connect with customer, advertise product, and share update. Unlike profile, page can run ad and reach broader audience. So you can see that page is created for the business. On the pages, the person can connect with the customer, they engage with the customer, they can publish their products, they can publish their services, and they can also run ads from the pages. From that they can reach wider audience than compared to the normal audience. When to use the page? Use a page if you are representing a business or organization. Page can be managed by multiple users with different tool. Page basically can be managed by the when you are running a business or organization, then you can use the page, and page can manage with the different tool like admin, editor, analytics. When you hire someone, so you can give the access of them and they can work on your page on the behalf of you. So now the third is the Facebook group. The Facebook group is a place for the people with shared interest to gather, communicate, and discuss topics. Like Facebook group is a kind of the place in that once a person can share the particular idea, information, then another person can reply on that, they comment on that. So group can be public or private. That will be depend on the admin part, how the group will be. Want to create the admin, the public group can be accessible by anyone, the private group can be accessible anyone, and can be created for hobbies, business, sport, or social community. For any kind of the business activity, organization activity, the group can be created. Why use a group? Group are useful for building a community around a shared interest, such as a business or hobby. For business, group offer a way to engage with and support with customer or fans for a personal love. Basically, simply we can say that why use a Facebook group? Because you will build a community like you are selling something, you are selling product or service. So those people who are interested in this particular product or service, you can connect with them via the group. You can share information about your product or service with some tips, with some beneficial part of that particular product. So from that, what happened, the interested community can be your customer in future. So this is the main advantage of the Facebook group. They can interact with you via the informational post, informational content. Now the fourth is the Facebook Business Manager. First we will discuss what is a business manager. So Facebook Business Manager is a tool to help manage multiple Facebook page, ad account, and assets like Instagram profile or pixel. It is helpful for business agency or business individual who handle multiple clients to advertising campaign. So in shorter terms, the business manager is a tool from that you can manage your Instagram profile, you can manage your Facebook profile, and multiple assets you can maintain. Like you can add the pixel on your landing page from that tools, and it is helpful for business. Like you can run from the ads for yourself and for the client also. What is the benefit of the business manager? The benefit of the business manager, you can manage all assets in one place. Like if you have 5 page of Instagram, so you connect with your Facebook page, and from this particular business manager you can definitely manage all your assets at one place. You doesn't need to open the separate Insta account tab on your window. So from this business manager you can manage all assets in one place. You can control access to your page, add account, assign role to different users. You can give the access to the users, like this particular user will manage my account, so I can give the access to that particular user from the business manager. Now the fifth is the ads account in Facebook. So what is an ad account? Ad account is where business create, manage and track advertisement on Facebook. Each ad account has its own billing information, ads and targeting set. Basically, what is the ad account? Ad account is where business will create ads and will try to reach the audience while implementing a budget. So each ad account has different billing option and different ads, and they can different targeted setting. How to use ad account? You can create ad account to run campaign targeted at different group of people. By starting up ads through the business manager, you can easily manage and analyze how ads are performing. So ads account creation is very simple. You have to find the interest of the audience, like which type of the audience is interested in your product or service, what is your target location, and which area you want to sell the product. So initially you have to identify this kind of the question from yourself. Once you will done with this question, then you can start running the ads. In the later video we will discuss all the things. Now the Facebook products on the Meta. What are the Meta products? Facebook parent company is now called Meta. Right now the Facebook parent company is known as the Meta. So Meta include Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp and other products. Each platform has a different use but connect under the Meta ecosystem to provide a smooth experience across app. So now you can see that the Facebook parent company is now known as the Meta. Meta includes multiple platforms, like it can be Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp. Each platform has a different use but connect under the Meta ecosystem. Like on Instagram, the UI part is different, the functionality of the Instagram is different and compared to the Facebook, but all comes under the Meta. Why Meta? Meta aims to offer interactive platform to help people connect, communicate and engage regardless of the platform they use. For example, business can integrate ads service across Facebook and Instagram under one account. So these are the Meta. Like from the Meta you can measure all your assets, all your Instagram account, all your Facebook profile, and you can connect the WhatsApp on your particular Meta business suite. So this is a particular part. In this video we have discussed like Facebook component and ecosystem. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.